In this video, we're going to get rid of this gigantic mess of an intake and show you how to install a cold air intake that people call hot air intakes, but I don't care because my airbox is broken from a little collision with a deer. So I decided to go with an aftermarket one. Looks fairly straightforward. There's no mass airflow sensor on it, so it's just all plastic tubing. There is this one here. I assume that is a air intake sensor in the back, and there is a flat head on there, flat head right here, and I think most of it will come out, but we're going to go over the procedure. I bought this brand right here. It's the same one I have on my Miata, and I liked it. It's called a AF Dynamic. Looks similar to a Canon. This one is fairly cheap. Comes with a heat shield box. And oh, it even has instructions. That's a first. Alright. This might be a little more intense than I thought. There's your part number. Otherwise, I'll link it in the description where I bought it on eBay. I think when I bought it, it was $150. Big old intake. Looks good. Let's get this old one out of the way, huh? Let's get a flathead screwdriver. This is the tube mounting bracket, speaking of. So I think we have to push this down, out, put the plate on under it. Okay. Now it says to install the filter adapter into the heat shield and secure it. So here's the heat shield. We'll know which direction it goes. Okay, I think you missed the step of assemble the box. So it takes these 4 black screws, and then we're starting to put the heat shield, what do they call it? Edge trim onto it. These never work out, but we'll try. Like so, I guess. No idea, because now that's directly in the way. Maybe it's supposed to, I don't know, we'll see. Next step. Remove the air inlet temperature sensor. The sensor rotates counterclockwise a quarter turn, then pulls out. It is very fragile. Sweet. Means it'll break. quarter turn. I think I got it. I didn't break it. All good things. So now we need the inlet air temperature into the intake, which is the smaller one. So it's got that little slot in there for it. I don't think it's going down far enough. That's where I'm at currently. I think it's got to go down flush to where this is at. But if you look in here, I can't twist it anymore. Yeah, it's hitting the sides. So WD-40 action on there. Maybe it'll help the piece slide in. I think I gotta get it down past that little hooks. Which need to go in this way. Yeah, they're not going in anymore. So I force it. Oh shit. I forced it. I don't think it's coming out now. So hopefully it's not broken. I can't get it to rotate. Yeah, we're calling that good. It's flush now. Scared the crap out of me, but oh yeah. Call that a win. What's next? Well, I applied a little heat to it and we got it on. So now I just have to, when we get there, oops, sorry, cut that, attach it. Now we're putting the hose clamps on, starting with this one back here. This is to install it. Install that. Install the other one onto this end. Yet the other problem, look at this. This will not reach. Maybe I rotate it? I don't know. This is starting to frustrate me. Nope, shows it right there. It's roughly the angle it's supposed to be at. Uncomfortably tight. That's what she said. Okay. Now, how to make the rest of this sturdy. No idea. Because it is not sturdy here. It's resting. But if you look, you can turn the light on. There's your stud. There's your other one. Nowhere near the mounting holes. So that's real cool. Not sure what to do about that. Then I don't know what's going on over here. I don't have the fitting that it shows, which makes me nervous to cut this. I don't know. Just cut it, see what happens. Sure, why not? There was nothing. Hopefully that was the right choice. See if this slides on now. Still don't know what to do about this whole thing not being very secure. I don't know if I zip tie that down right there, contact them and say WTF. But well, it's as done as it's going to be. Got that on there. It's pretty secure, minus that flappiness. Would I recommend it? Don't know. It's hard to recommend something that doesn't fit like it's supposed to. But I guess it's, for me, it was cheaper than buying a factory setup. But for obvious reasons, it doesn't fit like a factory setup. Let's see if this even fits back on now. And that's supposed to, fit. It doesn't. wouldn't recommend it. It's like dog crap. Yeah, I'd buy a different one if I were you. Pretty terrible. This won't even go back on. This is supposed to be over, I don't know, inch, half inch. Looks like crap. This part looks nice. That's about all I can say about it. That's good. I need to put this trim piece back in. Anyway, that's the install video. Hope it gives you some insight. Maybe don't buy this one. I know I started out positive in the video because my other one worked out. This one definitely did not. I am very not impressed. Like 1 out of 10 impressed. I mean, it was a solid effort, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos. We're going to rebuild a few cars this year and a couple Miatas for sure. Stay tuned.